Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm going to do a flip through of my latest journal. It's a Christmas journal, but it's really more like a winter journal. It's not overly Christmas, but I hope you'll enjoy it. And without further ado, let's get started. Well, I hope everybody's doing good. I'm doing good. All right. First off, I've got my journal topper. This was in the kit, and I just embellished it. This is a paper clip, but I glued it onto the card. It's just a simple little topper, and this I got from Rebecca Wheels. I ordered it from her. I've just got a bow enclosure, and it's just a simple file folder cover, and this journal is spoken for. Okay, so when you open it up, we have got, this journal belongs to, I got my pocket. These are Joey Card Makers papers. They're from a few years back, and I want to say it's some North Winter or something. I can't remember, but I thought they were so cute, and I really loved them. So I've got this where I did some stamping, got splatters. I just embellished throughout, added lace trim and such. But I love the papers. They're just such a pretty, like I said, it's Christmas, but it's not overly Christmas. And I've made some masterboard journaling cards and decorated. This part came and I had clusters, and I just embellished. I'm using paper from Triple V Vintage, and I just punched the edges to give it that lacy look. This is the what I did for a 50 stack challenge from Amy. It's just the prompt was magazine, and this was Ideals magazine, and I just made a little paper clip to go over it. And I've got these tags. These pockets came from the kit, and then I've got a Christmas card. I've got a die cut of Christmas tree, or just a pine tree. I've embellished with beads throughout on the edges, and I've got a fabric flip here, and I've got just more tags. I sewed, and then I also, on some of these, I used like my gel pen to enhance. It's a glitter gel pen, and I really like how those turned out. And it's another one, and I punched some of my scrapbook paper for those flowers. I got more tags from the kit, and there's a few different color. I didn't put anything in these. I need to. I was thinking I saved it to fold down, but I didn't. But I will stick something in those if it's nothing but more paper. And so I just used some sheet music and just folded it up and made a little pocket. Got the trim here. Just a cluster I glued down. I was going to use it as an up tuck, but the paper was so thin, I changed my mind on that. I've got a paper bag pocket. This I did from Amy. I think last year. It was watercolor, and it was from our prompt. And so I watercolored a tree for our 50 stack challenge, and so I'm adding that in here. And then I've got some tags here, a pocket I made a long time ago. And I've got the big journaling card. And I sewed around most of my tags, maybe not all of them, and put a little charm on there. I just decorated the back of that, and I just put a little embellishment along. I think that I just love these. Another journaling card. Some of my jelly print with doodles. From the Ideals magazine. I did some rub-on embellishments. Some more of the Triple V vintage paper. More tags, another envelope, another tag. I just went through and embellished here and there. I thought these were so cute. I love animals anyway. Another beaded area. Another pocket. I used some of the glimmer stick on those. And just a piece of paper that I used and decorated, still journal. Lots of journaling space. My center signature, which I love. And I've got dangles at the bottom. I got a deer and a snowflake charm, and I love those beads. Joy. More die cuts. I used my Tim Holtz die cuts, and I tell you, those were really tricky to do. Another tag that I just embellished with the glitter gel pens. Another bead. Another page from the kit. More embellishment. Another, I'll use the glimmer stick on that as well. Another envelope. Another die cut. The other half of the Ideals magazine page. Jelly print, side tuck. This I've had in my stash. Makes for good writing space, and I just decorated the front. Tuck it in this pocket. And got that page. This is from 50 Stack Challenge a long time ago. I'm not sure when. I stuck one of those envelopes behind it, made a little tuck spot. Got another tag here that I thought turned out cute. And decorated that as a die cut, and then a fussy cut I had. The bunnies. The other part of the music, and another journaling tag. And other tags. This I did on the jelly print challenge I did from Curie the Crafter. So since it's nature, I thought I would add that in here under the belly band. And more beads. There's the back side of the card. This is an altered playing card I used as a tuck spot for these tags. And then I've got this one, I want to say I did for the 50 Stack Challenge as well. I'm not 100% sure about that. Another journaling card. Got rounded, so it's just going to be rounded. And my last page, and made with love. So I put a lot of time in this. I hope the person that gets it likes it. And my last tag. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all take care. Have a wonderful day. Rest of your week. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.